Hi guys! Good afternoon! May share ako guys. Mga words basic English and Australian slang. For example, the word in basic English is breakfast, but in Australian slang it's called brekkie. In basic English is breakfast, and in Australian slang is brekkie. Another one is afternoon. In basic English, in Australian slang is arvo. Diba magkaiba? Breakfast in basic English is breakfast. In Australian slang is brekkie. Afternoon in basic English in Australian slang is arvo. Thank you guys.